morning everyone. So let us start our class. So today we are going to discuss chapter 3, that is what? Logarithm. Okay, chapter 3. So today we will start logarithm. So you are going to hear some kind of background noise. Okay, some kind of construction is going in my house, so avoid that or use earphone. Okay, so what is logarithm at first, or why do we need logarithm? Okay, why to study logarithm? What is the use of logarithm? So the basic use of logarithm is to calculate such values or such numbers which are not possible even by calculators. Yes, which are not possible even by calculators. We can calculate with the help of logarithm. Very big numbers. Say for example, say 2021 to the power 2021, like that. Okay. So this type of calculation we can do by what? Logarithm. Say more difficult. Say cube root of 3. Again you say whole square. So this thing you can't do in calculator. Okay. So such type of problems are solved by what? Are solved by logarithm. So this is the use of logarithm. It will make various difficult problem very simple. Okay. So okay, so now you have understood why do we need logarithm. So now let us study logarithm. Logarithm, or simply we write as what? Log. Okay, log. Logarithm we simply write as what? Log. Now how logarithm comes? Okay, what is the meaning of logarithm? You see, say for example, if I write a to the power x is equal to b. Here a is what? A is known as what? Base, and x is known as what? X is known as exponent. Okay, base is x, base is a and exponent is what? X. And what is the value of a to the power x? Say b. So this is the example. Say 5 cube is what? 125. So now from where logarithm comes? Which implies this x will be equal to, log of b base a. Understood? This a will go that side, and when it will go that side, right side, log will come. Okay, that means log will come. This a will be the base and b over here. Okay, we say how do we read this one? Log b to the base a. Log b to the base a. Like we say a to the power x, we say log b to the base a. Understood? This is how we read that one. Okay. So over here what I can say? 3 will be equal to what? Log 125 to the base a. Base 5. Understood? While writing this one, keep in mind, say log, you are writing log. So base will come exactly this place. Okay, this place your base will come. Just where G, this portion will end, you will write your base over here. Not below, not up. Okay, and after that, this B will come over here above this line. So say there is an imaginary line over here. So you will write your base below that and then B above that. Okay, understood? This is how you will write. So understood what is logarithm? Logarithm is nothing but the exponent. What is logarithm? Logarithm is nothing but the exponent. If you have to find that exponent, we will use what? Logarithm. What is the exponent of here? What is the exponent here? 3 is the exponent here. Okay. So 3, how we will get this answer 3? How we will get this exponent 3? By using what? Log. By using logarithm. So logarithm is what? Simply the exponent. When we find logarithm, we actually find the exponent of that base. Means if I say log, say y base x. If I say log y base x, means what I will find? What I am going to find? I am going to find the exponent of x. Or you can say the power of x. Exponent of x. Okay. In log b base a, I am going to find the exponent of a. What is the exponent of a? X. So logarithm gives the exponent of that base. Remember this line. Logarithm gives the exponent of that base. Understood? Okay. So now you have learned what is logarithm. what is the use of logarithm? Use of logarithm to do some difficult calculations. Okay, and what is logarithm? Logarithm is simply used to find the exponent of that base. Exponent, understood? Exponent. So I will say 5 to the power x is equal to say some huge number. Say some huge number. Just a huge number. Okay. What will be its exponent? We don't know. So how we will find? Using log. Understood? So logarithm is used to find the exponent of that base. This is the base. Understood? Now let us see. There are two types of logarithm. One is what? One is natural logarithm. And one is what? Common logarithm. One is natural logarithm, one is common logarithm. In this chapter or say till class 10, you are going to study about common logarithm only. Okay. Natural logarithm in higher secondary and higher class you will get. In science you will get, in physics some of the proofs, but in maths you will get for of now you will get what? Only common logarithm. Okay. What is the difference? Simple thing. Here the base is what? E. Here the base is E. What is E? You will going to get that number. What is the value of E? Like you have got pi, right? About pi you have got. So in higher class you are going to get about E also. What is this? E is known as. Okay. And in what is the base of common logarithm? Very simple, very simple, 10. So what is the base of common logarithm? 10. Understood? One more thing you remember. You just remember, okay, what is the base of natural logarithm? It's E, okay, natural logarithm. And what is the base of common logarithm? 10. Okay, we are going to study that one only. So one thing you remember, if base is not written, say like this, it is written log of 27. If the base is not written, that means the base is what? 10. You have to assume that the base is 10. Like if denominator is not written, then we assume, or the denominator is nothing to assume, the denominator is what? 1. So if base is not written, the denominator is, if base is not written, then the base is what? The base is 10. Understood? Now two important values of logarithm. Okay. Number 1. Just tell me what is the value of a to the power 0. Very simple, na? Anything to the power 0 is what? 1. Anything to the power 0 is what? 1, right? And we know what is logarithm? Logarithm is the value of what we find in logarithm? Exponent we find, right? To the base, that base. Exponent. No, the value of that exponent. Okay. So I can say, means implies 0 if I write, if this base go that side, what will happen? Log 1 base A. Or not? Log what? Log 1 base A. Understood? So from here what comes? I can say that, remember, I can say log of 1 is equal to what? 0. Remember, log of 1 is equal to what? 0. This is important. Understood how it came? A is base over here, right? That base will go that side. Logarithm will come. Logarithm will give the value of what? The exponent. The exponent is what? 0. So log of 1 is what? 0. Understood? Next. A to the power 1 will be equal to what? A. We know that anything to the power 1 is that base only, okay? Anything to the exponent 1 is that base only, okay? So a to the power 1 is equal to what? A. So I can say 1 will be equal to, if I take this base that side, this will be a base A, log a to the base A. Understood? So this is the important thing, that log, if they are similar, if they are same, then the value will be what? 1. Always 1. Remember, if they are same, then the value will be always 1. That is compulsory. Okay, understood? So these two you remember. Okay. Log of 1, 0. Log of a base A, say 4 base 4, 4 to the base 4, 10 base 10 is always what? 1. Same, then it is 1. Okay. How it came? Simple thing. Okay. You know, the exponent. Logarithm is nothing but what? The value of the exponent. Understood? Okay. These two value you write in your notebook and you remind this value. Okay. Now some properties of logarithm. Let us see some properties of logarithm. Okay. Say law number 1. Log. Proof I will not give today. Okay. Proof I will do tomorrow. Tomorrow I will give the proof of this law. Okay. Today just you write the law. Say log of m into n base what? A to the base A. So simple thing, what will happen? If there is product, then plus the log will break as addition, okay, as the sum of two logs. If it is into, then the log will break as sum of the two logs, means log m base A plus log n base A. This is your first law. Tomorrow we will do the proof. Okay. Law 2. Divided by m. Now very simple, you know this one, right? By simple idea, this time it will become what? Subtraction. Okay, for into it is addition, for divide it is what? Subtraction. Okay. Now for addition there is nothing. Okay, there is no law like that. M plus n to the base A. Don't write like this. Log say m into log n base A. Don't write. There is no formula like that. Okay, there is no formula like that. Only for into and divide. Okay, understood? Now law number 3. What is law number 3? Log a log m base A, log m base A, and there is one power. Actually, sorry, log m to the power n base A. Log m to the power n base A. Understood? M to the power n. Okay, I am writing it over there. M to the power n base A. So this power will come front side. It will become what? N log. N into log, and then again same n base A. So this power will come here front face. Okay, very important law. Okay, very important law. Then law number 4. Law number 4 will be what? This law is known as what? Change of base. This law is known as change of base. Understood? This law is known as what? Change of base. So what we can say? Say for example, it is their log, say b base A. Log what is there? B base A. But you need to change its base. You have to change the base. Say for calculation, you need a different base. Say to find the answer or to solve, you need a different base. Say for example, P. You need that base. Okay. So how to do change of base? So you will write log in above log. What is there? B is there, right? So B base P. So you have changed the base. Okay. B base P. And in below also you have to write what? Log A base P. So this is known as what? This is known as change of base. Understood? Change of base. Okay, so these are the 4 important law. Okay, one more I am giving, but these are the 4 basic law which proof we will do tomorrow. Okay, proof we will do tomorrow. Proof has to be done. Okay, proof tomorrow in the next class. Okay, so one more you see, one more I am giving. Say law 5, but this is actually corollary. Okay, this is not law. I will give in this corollary section. This one. This is not like law. Corollary you can write. Say what is their log m base A. Say if you want to change this one, now it is m base A, you need A base m. A base m. So what you will do? You will write 1 divided by log A base m. This one. Okay, this is also very important. So that much is sufficient. Okay, by this we can start our exercise. Proof we will do tomorrow. Proof is important. Okay, proof might can come in the examination also. Okay, so Let us start the exercise then. Okay. So one complex I am seeing what will happen. You see. Say for example log mn ca to the power say p. Okay. The base is what? The base is k. So what at first this power will come in the front side, p log mn by ca k. Okay, then what? Divide is there, right? So it will break as subtraction log mn k minus log ca k p into is there, so it will become what? Log m base k plus log n base k minus is there. Okay, so you give a bracket, and then log, it will become what, right? C base k plus log a base k. So p log m base k plus log n base k minus plus minus log c base k minus log a base k. So if I now multiply this p log m base k plus p log n base k minus p log c base k minus p log a base k. Understood? So this is the answer. So this way you have to simplify. Okay. Here we have used what? Law number what? 3, right? Law 3 we have used. Power came over here. Then over here, second law. Okay, so for some reason the video got stopped. Okay, maybe lack of battery, something like that. Okay, so okay, see over here law number 3, over here it is divide law, that is law number 2. Over here the product law, law number 1, and then simple minus plus. This is simple calculation. Okay, so this is how we will use the law. Okay, so let us see the exercise then. Let us see the exercise. (3.1) Exercise 3.1. Question number 1, what is given? Log 6 base 6. Log 6 base 6. Solution, same base. What is the answer? Direct answer you can write. 1 mark question 1. Okay. Number 2. Log 0.4 base 0.4. Again, same base. The answer will be what? 1. Okay. Number 3. Log 0.1 base 10. So the answer will be what? Directly we cannot say. So there 1 or 2 step will come. Okay. So see at first what? At first log, this is 10. 0.1 how can I write? I can write this one as what? 1 by 10. Okay. I can write this one as 1 by 10. Now there are 2 ways to do the answer. Okay. There are 2 ways. One shortcut is what? Log 10. 1 by 10 how you can write? 1 by 10. See in algebra you have got one formula that a to the power minus 1. If you want to make the power positive, you have to do what? Reciprocal the base. Understood? This we have done in our algebra, in our indices chapter. Okay. If the power is negative, if I have to make that power positive, I have to reciprocal what? The base. What is the base? A. So what is the reciprocal of that base? 1 by a. Then the power will get what? Positive. Means a to the power minus 1 is what? Actually nothing but 1 by a. Understood? A to the power minus 2 will be what? Then I will say 1 by a. So the power will be what? Positive 1 by a whole square. So like that, now it is 1 by 10. If I receive, now what is the power? The power is what? 1 or not? But you don't write the power 1. So, but you have to assume that the power is what? Over here 1. So if I reciprocal this one, this will become what? 10 to the power. The power was what? Plus 1. Now it will become what? Minus 1. 10 to the power minus 1 is what? 1 by 10. You have done this in indices, I think so. The chapter is indices, or in algebra also you have got this one. Okay. Now simple. This minus 1 will come for front. Minus 1 log 10 base 10. So what is the answer? Minus 1. Same base. What is the answer? 1. So into 1. So your answer will be what? Minus 1. This is the short method. That method is also short. Another method, or say log 10, 0.1 is there, right? So equal to log 1 by 10. Now it is what? Divide, right? It is divide. So I can write log 1 base 10 or log 1 minus log, or not. This one I can write. What is log 1? The value of log 1 is what? 0 minus, this is what? 1. What is 0 minus 1? Minus 1. So this way also you can do, this way also you can do, okay? But this method you keep in mind, okay? We will apply this kind of method in other question also, okay? This method is very important. This method is also important. So both way you should know. This you should know that 1 by 10 will become what? 10 to the power minus 1. Understood? Okay, so today we will stop here, okay? I am not feeling that much well during these days. So I am having a headache now. So today I will stop here. Tomorrow again we will continue, okay? That's all. Thank you.